Sarah was a college student who spent most of her day on social media, scrolling through her Instagram and Twitter feeds. She had a hard time concentrating on her studies, and her grades were suffering as a result. One day, Sarah decided to attend a mindfulness workshop that was being held on campus. The workshop was led by a wise old professor named Dr. Chang, who had studied mindfulness for many years. Dr. Chang taught the students about the importance of being present in the moment, and how mindfulness could help them focus on their studies. Sarah was intrigued by what she learned, and decided to give mindfulness a try. She started practicing mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing and meditation, before studying. She also made a conscious effort to avoid distractions, like social media, while she was studying. At first, it was difficult for Sarah to stay focused, but with practice, it became easier. She found that she was able to concentrate for longer periods of time, and that her grades began to improve. She even started enjoying her studies more, feeling a sense of accomplishment each time she mastered a new concept. One day, Sarah ran into Dr. Chang on campus and thanked him for teaching her about mindfulness. She told him that it had made a huge difference in her life, and that she was grateful for his guidance. Dr. Chang smiled and said that he was happy to hear that she had found mindfulness helpful. Years later, Sarah was a successful professional, working in a high-pressure job. She still practiced mindfulness every day and credited it with helping her stay focused and calm in stressful situations. She never forgot the lessons she learned from Dr. Chang and continued to practice mindfulness throughout her life.